Hi, this is Maheshwari from 3rd BCA at KCS Kastara College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about quality assurance. First one is debugging, process of finding out where something went wrong and correcting the code to eliminate the errors and bugs that causes unexpected results. Types of errors. Three types is there: language error or syntax error, and then runtime error or logical error. What is language error or syntax error? Due to incorrectly constructed code such as incorrectly typed keyboard or some unnecessary punctuations are called language or syntax error. Next one, runtime error. Runtime error or occurred during the program's execution when a statement attempts an operation that is impossible to carry out. Next one is logical error. Logical error is a mistake in a program source code that results in incorrect or unexpected behavior. Logical error also can produce runtime errors. Quality assurance can be two types. One is an error based testing and another one is scenario based testing. Error based testing, such a give one class method for particular clues of interest, then describe how these clues should be tested. Example, employee dot compute payroll her. Scenario based testing, usage based testing, concentrate on what users does, not on what product does. Testing strategies: black box testing, white box testing. Black box testing means internal working is not available for inspection and then input and output tested. White box testing means test the specific logic to guarantee the system's proper functioning. And then path testing. One form of white box testing, make sure the path of the method executed at least once during test. Is there two types? Two types is there: statement testing coverage, branch testing coverage. Top-down testing assumes that main logic or object interactions and system messages of the application need more testing than individual objects, methods, or supporting logic can detect serious design flaws early in the implementation. Bottom-up testing to test individual objects. Test with the details of the system and proceeds to higher level by a progressive aggregation. Impact of object orientations on testing. Impact of inheritance in testing: base class, inherited function, refined function, derived class, inherited function, refined function. Reusability of test in this inheritance: example, sets of test requirements overlap. Test plan. Test plan is developed to detect and identify potential problems before delivering the software to its users. Next one, steps to create test plan. Objective of the test: what? Development of the test case: how? Test analysis, examining test output and documentation the test result. Who should do the testing? Designer, quality assurance group, beta testing. Beta testing, three types: popular, expensive, group of actual users of the test system, and the last one, alpha testing. That's it. Thank you.